Hello everyone, welcome to Python full stack course. In this training video, I will talk about the exercise 1 solution. One by one, we will see the solution of the exercise 1. Now let us start with the question number 1, that is create a variable with name ABC and we have to assign the value 22. So we can declare a variable, let's say a equal to b equal to c is equal to 22. In one line, we can write the value for the variable. We will just compile this code to get the output. Now you will see in the variable explorer a is 22, b is 22, c is 22. So in single line we will declare a variable with same value. Next question is print the name entered by the user, and there is a hint, we can use an input function. So by using input function we will read the name from user. So by using input function we will just read the name from user and that name we are going to display. So we can say print and let's say name. So that name is going to be printed. So I just compile this code one by one. First line I compile so that I take the input from user. So here we can enter the input. So here I just enter the Gokul. The string is been stored inside a name so that we can print it by using print method. It will be print as a book. Next question is create the list with the following element. So we have to create a list. List is a data type which will be stored in the square bracket. So we'll have to create this list with, let's say, ABC, LMN, XYZ. Next value is XYZ, and then it's a PQR. So by using this data, we can create a list. List has been created with this 4 elements. So these 4 elements are in the list. You can also see in the variable explorer as good as in the IPython console. The command is executed. What the task is, we have to print the second element of the list. Now how to print the second element of the list? So just we can go to the print. We just write list and then we can write inside it. We have to print a second index element. So we just mention the index of the list. Just we can compile it. List 2 element is xy. So 0, 1, 2. Index is start from 0. So 0 the index is 1 ABC. The first index is the element and in the second index it is xy. So xyz is going to be print in this solution. So next one is create the dictionary with name and age and then print the dictionary. So we'll have to create a dictionary. So dictionary is similar like a set, but it consists of key and value. So there is a key is, let's say, name, and the value of that key is, let's say, Gokul, and comma separated we have to add the attributes. So next key is age and their value is, let's say, 30. So as it is numeric value, so no need to put the quotes. So I just compile this dictionary. So it is being created successfully. You can find in the variable explorer as good as you can find in the console that command is executed. One more thing is that we have to print. So just I write a print command, that is a dictionary, so that this command is going to be work and the dictionary is being printed. Suppose I want to print a particular key from the dictionary. So we can write print dictionary and then we can write I just want to print all the ages which is inside the dictionary. So just I mention the age and that is the display, that is 30. So in this way we can operate the dictionary. Next question is create the set with 5 elements. Next question is create the set with 5 elements and remove the duplicate from the set. So I just create a set 1 with duplication of the element 1, 1, 2 and let's say 4. So I just enter the 5 element in the set and I want to remove the duplicate. So I want to print only unique element. So just I write a unique variable. I just write a unique variable which will hold the unique elements. And then I write set 1. So this set 1 will hold all the unique elements and then we are going to print that all unique element of this set. I just compile this complete code so that only unique elements are going to be printed, that is 1 to 4. Repetition of 1 and repetition of 2 is been discarded from the set and only unique element are going to be printed. The next question is convert the given set into list. So first we'll read one set of let's certain element 1, 2, 3, 4, 45 and 5. We can convert this set into list by using list by using list function, and then we'll pass set 1 and then finally we'll print that set test so that it is been converted into list. The next question is read the two separate lists from the user and then merge into the list, merge into single list. So first of all I create a list 1 with let's say element is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and create one more list 2 having element is 1, 2 and 3, and we can just print that list 1 plus list 2 so that it is get concatenated and then it will print the result. So I just compile this, you will get that list is get concatenated, but repetition is not being discarded. It is not a set, it is a list. So it will keep all the element as it is in the list 1 and list 2. It just concat the two lists. The next question is read the string from user and print only the last character. So again we'll have to read one string from user that we did in the second question. So by using input function we can just take the name from user. Once we take the name from user, then we can just print the name, but we don't want to print the name, we want to print only the last character. So we can just write print name and -1 will print the last character. So we will see one by one with the execution. The first one is we will enter the name, it's a Gokul, and that name is going to be stored in the name. We can just print the name is been print, and when I write the name index -1 will print the last character, that is L. So in this way we can print the last character of the string. The next question is read the list from user and print the list in the reverse order. So first I'll create a list 1 from the user which contains this 5 element. Then we'll just print that list to display the original list. Now I want to reverse the list. By using reverse method we can just reverse the list and we can print the list in the reverse order. So we will execute this. First I just print the original list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'll perform the reverse operation on the reverse operation on the list so that the list is printed in the reverse order. So this is the complete solution for exercise 1. Hope you understand everything. If you still have any doubt with this question, you can just write it in the comment so that I'll give more explanation of your doubts. I hope you like the content or I save your time. Please support by sharing the video with your friends. If you are not subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe and press the notification bell icon to get the latest information. Thanks for watching this video.